welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. It's your lady mommy here. If you are new here in this channel, we do skin care, skin lightening, we do makeup, we do hair, and then we do juice, we do sometimes some video with Coach Marvin and Coach Melissa. So we are here. If you feel like that is your cup of tea, please just consider to subscribe and then join this lovely family. You will be amazed and then you will never be disappointed. Today we have a nice special video, so we're gonna review this cream. So the clear therapy is here. Yeah, so we're gonna review it today. So if you are excited and then you like this kind of things, keep watching. Much love, mommy. Yes guys, we are here to review this lovely cream here, the clear therapy. So the company is claiming that the clear therapy extra lightening lotion is a milk formula specially developed for pigmentation problem. So if you have a pigmentation problem, they say this cream is for you. And then authentically skin lightening therapy is a fruit acid complexion targeting pigmentation spots formulated due to the sun damage, age and pregnancy. So they say this cream is there to, fight the pigmentation, or if you have like, like sometimes some people when they are pregnant, they have like pregnancy skin, so the skin will be damaged, the skin will be just no good. So they are claiming that this cream is there to help this problem as well. So it gives you a flawless complexion when you use it daily. The results are visible after just 10 days is what the product is claiming, and then it leaves your skin just fresh and smooth, and then use it twice daily. So is what they say. But for my opinion, so this cream is here, they claim that it's lightening you for 10 days, but for my opinion, one of my friends used it, she just used it on its own. Honestly, the cream lightening the skin, like you see the result so fast. But the annoying part, so if you use it, since the cream is very strong, if you use it on its own, so it gives you like those white dots. Do you know, like sometimes when the cream is so strong, it gives some people white dots. So it's what I realized with this cream, the white dot on the skin. So if you have like a nice soft gentle skin, so go ahead, don't use the cream on its own, go ahead, mix it with something like this Vaseline. You use it, you mix it with Vaseline Intense Care. So just get maybe half of this clear therapy, mix it with Vaseline. Don't forget, always put your vitamin C capsule inside. So mix it, don't use the clear therapy on its own because the cream is very strong. Meanwhile it does help with the age, skin and pigmentation, but it's very strong. If you are someone who has like a nice soft skin, what it's gonna do is gonna lightening you too much, and then it's gonna give you like some dots on your skin, and then you don't want that dot. So mix it with this Vaseline. You just get like half of Vaseline, half of this, mix it together. Make sure you put your vitamin C inside, because vitamin C is very nice, like to glow your skin and then make your skin look nice and smooth. If you don't have the capsule, you can still like spray it just like this is a spray. You spray it all over your face in that way, so you won't have any problem with your cream. So the cream is very nice, it does help like age spot and all of that, but the annoying part is it's just very strong. When you use it on its own, it starts giving you white dots on the skin, and then you don't want that white dots on the skin. So I think for me, just use it once, use it in the night time, because if you use it on the day, maybe when it's sunny and then the sun and the lightening skin, it doesn't match. So use it just night time. During the day, you just use it your normal moisturizer and your sunscreen, and then that's it. Yeah, so that was my review about the clear therapy, but it's a very nice lightening cream. If you are considering to use it, you can go ahead use, but make sure you just tone it down with something like this. Don't use it on its own, and then you can put your pure glycerin as well, or any kind of glycerin you have, or serum. You can still go ahead and then mix it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. We really appreciate for you keep subscribing, making this channel grow. We honestly appreciate you. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So if you have any cream you want me to review, or any oil or any serum, so please feel free, drop us a message down below, so we keep in touch that way. We love you so much. We see you until our next one. Bye, mommy.